Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath in the Bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go to check out my ebook, bang, www.manselling.com. Also, you can go to Amazon and you can search for the Man Selling Stuff on Fire. Not.com by Donald Bogan. Alright guys, let's get right to it. Let's get these headphones to the workbench. Today we're having a look at the Riwbox. Let's go ahead and check them out, guys. We're going to bring it to the workbench, unbox it, and then I'm going to share with you my final thoughts. All right, so here we go. These are the Riwbox. I believe that's correct pronunciation. And this is model number xtb-780. Inside the box, you're going to get the user manual, and also you're going to get your warranty card. Make sure you take care of that. Now, they are over-the-ear headphones. The thing I'm excited about is the battery life. You're going to get 18 to 24 hours of playing time with this headset. Now, inside the package, they're going to give you a charger. It is a micro USB charger. It's the old version, guys. Now, one of the things I'm most excited about is the braided 3.5 aux wire. That let me know that this wire is going to last for a long time. And plus, they have a mic insert in there. Some pretty good quality right here, people. Again, made to last. I'm very excited about that. It's going to be tangle free, easier to keep up for me when I throw it in my gym bag, and if I got a call, I can answer right there. And of course, the little pinhole is the mic. Alright, so that's everything that's included inside of the box. Let's have a look at the headset itself. Now, you're not getting a great presentation here, but remember, this is a budget headset, about $34 on Amazon, $40. Now, the ear cups do not have a swivel to it, so they pretty much lock in place. Now, I love that they have this metal band. Again, it's going to last with the metal band, and you can see how you can stretch it. Again, in my opinion, it's built to last. The ear cups are labeled right to left, but they have this wonderful leather, protein leather, with this memory foam built inside of there, or made inside of there. It's a pleasant wear. It makes it feel like big old pillows on your ear. Now, they have branding around the headset, so they're really going for a premium look at a affordable price. On side, you're going to get all of your buttons. You're going to get your off and on button. You're going to get your volume up, volume down, where it's double for track forward, track back, and of course your off and on doubles for answering and hanging up on calls. You're going to get the spot for your 3.5 aux, and you're going to get the spot for your charging wire. Now, the outside of the headset, I don't know what type of material that is, but it is sort of a fingerprint magnet. So let's go ahead and pair it. Pairing is easy. Press and hold down the power button. You're going to see the blue light is going to blink rapidly. Then the next thing you want to do, you want to get your Bluetooth enabled device. I'm using the Note 10 Plus right here. Go ahead to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. And then you want to look for the model number once your device begins to search. Guys, this was easy to set up. It found the headset right away. Only thing I had to do is just select it and it connect right away. Hey, very pleasant experience, especially for a budget headset. It connected right away, like I said, guys. No problem with this. Awesome job. Shout out to the company. The unboxing. Let's jump back to the studio and talk some more about it. Alright guys, welcome back. So that's the unboxing, and here are my final thoughts about the headset. So first of all, they are budget headsets, so we already know that. We love budget headsets on here. Don't want to break the bank. Now, I was a little disappointed that the ear cups were not swiveled, but as you see in the unboxing, the ear cushions are very, very comfortable, and of course the head paddings are also comfortable, and they have that metal band up in there, so I'm anticipating that they're gonna last for a while. Now, the outside coating is like a fingerprint magnet. Like if you have like any grease on your fingers or whatever, you know, it's gonna get on there, guys. It's gonna leave marks and stuff like that. Just be aware of that. I love that they have the braided wire to make sure that it don't get tangled, right? So I love that, and it's gonna also ensure that it's gonna last. So how flexible they are, guys. You don't have to worry about them popping or snapping in half. So I love that. You know, like I said, I just don't like that the ear cuffs are not adjustable, so they don't have a swivel to them. But I love them. Comfortability, you can put them on, like I said. They're gonna be comfortable. Like AV budget over the ear, I might even say just budget. Most over the ear headphone guys, if you're wearing for a while, they're going to accumulate a little heat, moisture, and stuff like that. Just be aware of that. So, of course, you guys want a sound test? Let's go ahead and see if I can do a sound test for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and put it on here. This is what you're going to hear. All right, so there you have it, guys. Now, this is what I think about the sound quality. I have another set of headphones that I reviewed on this brand last week, and those headsets tend to have more of a crispier highs in there, right? And the mids was all right. Now, these mids are decent. The highs, guys, not so much. I think what they tried to do is compensate with the bass, so these are really bass heavy, so the highs really don't punch through for a few genres. All right, time out. All right, disregard what I was saying about the highs being muddled and bass and all of that. I just came back from the gym. Now, the whole time I'm in the gym, guys, I got the volume high, but I'm alternating like the volume, right? So I went for a little jog with these on, but it's not hot, it's cool. So I wasn't really worried about the sweat factor that I mentioned earlier. And I increased the volume steadily. I didn't just go full blast. Went to the gym, had it up loud and stuff. And this is why I think you have to spend time with products. My first impressions totally different than what I experienced during my run and workout in the gym. So here's what I noticed. If you have the volume midway, you're getting a very pleasant sound. Your highs, your mids, and your bass. It's still a little bass heavy. The bass do muddle out as you crank it up, but it depends on the song. It depends on the genre. So I listen to some Lil Cray. Lil Cray's Christian rapper or whatever, and listen to his radio station and Amazon Music and hearing the different rappers coming on, different music, different styles and stuff. My first experience was totally different than the second experience. So doing my workout and stuff, guys, I had a pleasant experience. So there are ways that you can get your volume set just right and you can find that the perfect genre. Then I think you can get quality sound out of it, where you won't have to deal with the muffle of the bass. The bass still come in muffled. If you just get a song with a lot of bass and you got it up loud, it's gonna drown out your highs. So your mid's gonna be there, but it's gonna drown out your highs. But if you set it just right, guys, you can have a good experience. All right, let's get back. That you're listening to. Overall, if you consider the price point, if you consider the build quality, you guys kind of got like an example of the sound. I think they're worth getting, guys. They're worth going ahead and keep them around the house. I wouldn't recommend working out with them, but if you want to like just listen to music around the house, or if you want to take like a little stroll or something like that, when your heart rate is not too elevated, you're not accumulating a lot of heat, then yeah, go ahead and cop them, guys. I think that they're going to last for a while. A bang for your buck. Here's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.